Maghahanap tayo dito ng post ko sa dito sa free study and debate, free speech na post to. And ito. So, ang ipinost ko dito is heaven is still sweet, hell is still hot, and sin is still wrong. And Jesus is still the only way to heaven. So, ang kagandahan dito sa sa page na ito is you can spread the gospel according sa imong nahibaluan. So, we'll read some comments, no? And na yung replyan ko para tawag nito, para naman makita nyo kung ano ang reaksyon nila, no? So, galing to sa ito. Sabi dito, Jesus is dead, no? There is no reason in the world to believe that there are any such place as heaven and hell. So, ito ay nireplyan ko lang siya, no? So, ito ang nireply ko sa kanya, no? In your dreams, you can create free and unlimited imaginations or imagination, but after all, no, you will be dust to return to the ground after you die, brothers. No? Yeah, we all die, and we will return to the ground. And he replied, no, reply siya rito, yeah. So, I'll be dust, so to speak, after I die. Yes, of course. Diba? Tama naman. Sabi ng Ecclesiastes, no? 3:20, no? Gikan ta sabog, mabalik ta sabog. So, yun nga, ano pa yung sinabi niya rito? Yun nga din, I hope you didn't sprain your arm patting yourself on the back for figuring out as far as my dreams go. They are irrelevant. No? So, irrelevant daw, no? Yung sinasabi ko sa kanya. It is in fact that Jesus is dead. No? Inulit-ulit talaga niya na patay na si Jesus. So, comment ko naman sa kanya, no? O reply ko sa kanya, no? I don't need that my hopes, no? I don't need that, no? So, sabi ko sa kanya, yung sinasabi niya sa akin na nananaginip din pala ako, sabi niya, no? Sabi ko rito, I don't need that, no? My hopes is in Jesus, no? My hopes is found in Jesus, no? And give me a book of evidence or evidence that Jesus remained dead, no? So medyo tumawa lang ako rito, no? So give me a book, no? Or an evidence, no, that Jesus remains dead. So yun, sabi ko sa kanya din, no, yun ko, I bet you cannot see any books or evidence, my friend, no? You will be minutes or hours away before you can reply my message for searching books or evidence to prove that Jesus remains dead.